Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save a design here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Saving a design in Canva is a simple process that is essential for a lot of practical and creative reasons. Whether you are working on a personal project, a business-related task, or a collaborative effort, saving your design ensures that work is secure and accessible. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project or the design that you are working with. In this case, I'm working with this specific design. Okay, so I'm gonna add further elements to make it like visually appealing. I'm gonna add another video right here, or probably this one. Now, there are multiple ways for you to be able to save a design, okay? Number one is if you go to the share button on the upper right corner, you can simply click the download option. You can download as MP4, JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, and MP4 or GIF or SVG. You can also have the option to save it in your Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft Drive, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Box. Okay, you can also save it and share it to your social media channels like Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, and TikTok. You also have the option to save and export it via email, WhatsApp, iMessage, and Facebook Messenger. And of course, you can also share and save this to anyone with the link. Just copy the link, and this design will be saved and shared to the people that you're working with. Say, for example, if you're working with multiple freelancers, your team members, your client, your boss, by doing so. All right. Now, essentially, the designs here are automatically saved here in Canva. If I press F5 to refresh, what will happen is this design has already been saved automatically by Canva. If you go to the home page right here, you would notice that the design is already saved right here. Recent designs. This is that. If I click on it, you see, it's been saved here automatically. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.